Welcome back to Railway Track Invisible Room.
David, Chris, Ralph, Jason seem suddenly Attaboy, Jimmy and Stepney. Manny.
He lives in the house of bedrooms and homes and floors and ceilings and wallpapers.
Room train.
Arthur's named Douglas. Stepney arrives at the deep dark. "Hello," he said. "Where's Arthur is on my engine is missing. Off we go." Stepney raced around the corner. Stepney's falling down into a cliff. And he raced around the bends. Stepney around the corner. At first, finally the engines were in rest in Arthur and Stepney. "Arthur," said Stepney, "yes, good name is on words." "There's no time to waste derail," said Arthur. And both engines set off to the bathroom in a went into the shower. The engines were unhappy to replace by sounds like rattle and jiggle, and quietly sound all over the tracks. "Dit Douglas," said Stepney. "I think that's a fair trade. Your friend's my girl, but you have to stay." "Yours on Douglas is a name on idle," said Arthur. "Stepney, you can tell the difference when bathroom goes on," said Seamsod. And then Seamsod started off to the hallway room. Arthur's trip at the bathroom isn't always into a train of tanks, though it was weekly. Just then, Arthur came to see the toilet lid is closing at the moment when Stepney stopped the train. "Toughest part," said Arthur, but troublesome trucks were in laughing. "Stop me pulling, play is." He laughed. But Arthur said was terrible indignity dignified, but biffed the train, but swirling at the train off to the toilet. And lifted up to the ground. "Oh God." He laughed. "Your one is a Arthur sat in the toilet," said Manny, but really indeed, Seamsod puffed. "You're a very guess at the engines, Manny," said Arthur cheerfully. "Mighty Mac is very naughty. Hello, friends, I am Toad," he said. Arthur set off. "The sound is spring waltz," said Stepney. "The car's having lots of trouble in their tracks. I'll been useful in mighty ways then break." Stepney chuffed and pulled on to his coaches, him leaving backwards. "Stepney, wait!" cracked Arthur. Stepney driving backwards, and then danger lay ahead. "Hurry!" cried Stepney, and banging into the ground. "Oops, sorry," said Manny, felt foolish into the repair. Just then, Jimmy arrived. "Well," said Jimmy, "now if you mind so seen you're falling down to chair in Rex, this so much and understand." "No thanks, sorry," Stepney said to sad into Arthur, and Mighty Mac in stressed. "Okay, fans," Jimmy said, "remember when you soar up the front table." "Yes, please."